Hi there. In this video guide, we will explore how to create new private categories, how to create user groups, and associate them with each other so that the member level users of a user group can only access the content under private categories that are associated with their group. So first of all, go to the category section, click on Add New, select the type as private, give a category name. Let us name the category as category A. We don't have any other categories, so leave the parent category field to be null. You can enter any description of your choice. Since this is a blank installation, so we don't have any group so far, so let us choose a group assignment type as none. Click on Save Category. When you go to the Manage Category section, you will see now we have a category A under private categories. Let us add some more private categories. Let us name this as category B. Again, a parent one, group assignment none. Save it. Another category called category C. Again, a parent category, group assignment to be none. Save it. All right. Now, if we go to the manage category section, we will see three categories, category A, B, and C. All of them are root categories. Now, let us add an article under each of the categories. So we are on the add article screen now. Let us choose the article type to be private since we only have the private categories in the system so far. Let us select the category A for this article. Give your article a title. I'm just using the dummy content, so click on preview. Everything fine, save it. Okay, fine. It is posted in the category A. Let us create another article under category B and C. Type private category B. Test article under category B. Save it. Another one under C. Fine, so now we have three articles A, B, and C under the respective categories. Now let us go to the group section and add some group so that we can associate the private categories with this. Let us name the group as group 1. Now it asks the group type whether this group will be for admin users or front-end users. Now since member level users can only access the public area of the knowledge base, the front-end part, so let us choose the category group type to be front-end users. Now we can choose the private categories here. Since you see we have all private categories A, B, and C. Let us say group 1 has access to category A and C. So category B is not associated to this group. We have category A and C here. Since we don't have any member account, so this field is empty. Let us save it. Create another group, group 2, which has access to only category B. So no member so far, save it. Now if we go to the manage group section, we have two groups, group 1 and group 2. You can click on the group name to preview it. You see the group 1 has access to categories A and C, And if there are any members, you will see the list in here. Now close it. And now let us create some member level users. So we are on the add user screen. Let us create the full name as member1, username as member1. Let's keep the password as password. Email address, let us use member1@gmail.com. Now important thing is that the level should be front-end user member. And now from here you can assign the groups to this new user. So I'm going to choose assign manually. Now the groups I choose is that this member belongs to group 1. A member can belong to more than one groups as well. So it entirely depends on your taxonomy, how you would like to categorize your content and groups. So for the purpose of demonstration, let us say the member 1 belongs to group 1. Status active, whitelist user, no. Default language, let us say English. Send email. If you wish to send the email to user with his account credentials, you can choose yes. For the purpose of demonstration, I am choosing no. Save user. Now you will see we have a member account in the system. Username is member1, level is member, status is active, and you can click on it to view the member details that this user is a part of group 1, and group 1 is associated with categories A and C, and there is one member now in this group. So we will close this, and now let us create another user which will belong to group 2. Let us name it as member2, password to be password, member2@gmail.com. Level again should be member. Group assignment manually to group 2. Okay, status active, whitelist no, default language English, send email no, save the user. Okay, now let us log out from the admin area and now open up the members part of the knowledge base. Now we are in the public area of the knowledge base. Since everything is private so far in the system, so we are not able to see any categories or articles here. So we will need to log in with a member level account to access the content under the user group assigned to that member. And now you can see member 1 has access to category A and C. You see the category B was not assigned to the group 1, so he is not able to access that content. Now he can open up the content of category A, category B, and you can see the articles as well, right? So if member 2, you see now the member 2 is a part of the group 2 which is associated with category B. So now he has access to only category B. He doesn't has access to categories A and C. So this is how the private categories and user groups work with association in PHPKB software. Thanks for watching.